So you're going to be looking at back angle, hip angle, not hip ankle, what the fuck is that? Knee angle. We've got different angles throughout the body that we're going to be paying attention to, all right? And part of your job as the coach, you know what the model's supposed to look like. You know what the finished product is supposed to look like. You know what's supposed to open first, what's supposed to close first, how these different joints should change in relation to each other during the proper performance of the movement. All right? So you have all these different angles, and at different times, these angles are either opening or they're closing. Right? So you have something like that. This person doesn't have feet apparently. Person's going through a squat and they've got really like horrendously bowed tibias, right? But so they've got an angle here, they have an angle here, they have an angle here. As the person is coming up out of the squat, these angles are going to change, right? The hip angle is going to open up. The hip angle is going to open up. The back angle is going to open up later on. Whenever they're going down into the squat, these angles are going to start basically like this, and then they're going to move down here. So now those angles are closing in on each other. All right. So it's your understanding of the model and how these things are supposed to change. That's what's going to guide you as to what needs to be changed. You've got your standard cues, but then the next part of it is not just making sure that things are in position, but things are moving the way that they should. Because if, say, the hips come up too fast, that's going to open the knee angle faster than it opens the hip angle. And you have to be able to see that. But you have to be able to, like we said, you have to see it, you have to analyze it, you have to make an interpretation of what you're seeing, and then you have to be able to cue that on the next rep and get them to not do that, right?